Everyone that knows me knows how much I love the Los Angeles Lakers, and especially my favorite player, Kobe Bryant. As Bryant enters his 19th season with the Lakers, there have been a ton of negative talk about him floating around. Many say he has single-handedly killed the team, and his stubbornness has tarnished what was once a proud franchise. When I look at Kobe Bryant, I don't see any of that. I see a player from a different generation than the guys who make up the majority of the NBA. In a league where guys jump ship to chase rings, Kobe stays put. In a league where guys party every weekend and are more concerned with Instagram selfies, Kobe would rather spend time in the gym perfecting his jumper. And you know what? That's what makes him great. Kobe Bryant is the last of a dying breed, not just in the NBA, but in sports in general. Kobe is what I refer to in sports as a dog, a player that will sacrifice everything and more to win, a player that refuses to be outworked, has that killer instinct, and pushes those around him to get better. And that's why I love to watch him play. Now, do I think the Lakers have a shot at the playoffs or an NBA title? Hell no. But that won't keep me from watching this season. I won't be watching for the wins and losses. I'll be watching for the greatness that is the Black Mamba and truly appreciating what he brings to the game.